Have you heard what's going down at the Reconstructed Hatchery? This particular hatchery is found in Ebonyi State, Abakaliki. It's buzzing with life as we speak. After sitting idle for 10 whole years, the hatchery is back and better, all thanks to His Excellency Governor Francis Ogbonnawefuru. Thousands of broilers and layers have been stocked, and this isn't just about chickens, you all. As you can see, this is a serious game changer for Ebonyi State. And wait, there is more. The governor have approved funds to build feed mills, because just look at it this way, it's somehow having to rear this number of broilers and chickens and buying the feeds from outside. So what does this mean? Affordable chicken, eggs and feeds for everyone. Plus, think about the jobs this is creating and the revenue boost for the state. Pretty awesome, right? It's just too interesting to know that the Ebonyi State government have made optimum provision for the production of feed and feed mills in Ebonyi State. Let's not forget the brand new tractors rolling out big time for rice production in Ezulo. These laborers are already hard at work as we speak, making rice harvesting faster and more efficient. Ebonyi is truly on the move. So, big shout out to Governor Francis Ogbonnawefuru for this incredible strides in agriculture. The future of Ebonyi State looks brighter and more sustainable than ever. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this good news and drop a comment below.
As part of its commitment to boost agriculture production and food security, the Ebonyi State government has revitalized the poultry farm to increase the production of poultry products such as eggs and meat, which can help meet the growing demand for protein-rich foods in the state. The poultry farm, located along Nkaliki Road in Abakaliki, the state capital, has been out of production for over 10 years.
It's a cheery news for the people of Ebonyi State, as the state poultry farm, which has been out of production for over 10 years, is back to full production with modern facilities. The moribund poultry farm has been revitalized with over 20,000 birds, including layers and broilers, to reduce reliance on imported food and to ensure food security by increasing agricultural production, which will contribute to economic growth and development in the state.
When we came on board, we started doing something in the hatchery, and by the grace of God, we have 9,000 layers there, people saw it, and the 10,000 broilers, which by the grace of God, by this Christmas, it will start selling to our people.
The Commissioner for Agriculture also hints that the state government has made funds available for the construction of a feed mill, which will enable the farm to produce feeds for the livestock and create more jobs.
There's no way we can be doing livestock and we'll be buying feeds aside. So we have to have our feed mill. One, we have to employ our youth and Ebonians, not only the youth, the Ebonians, we employ them, they will get employment. And another thing, we make IGR. And another thing, in the southeast, that hatchery is the only government-owned hatchery in the southeast. Definitely, I mean, people from southeast will be buying from that place instead of going to Ibadan all the time, southwest, to buy their chicken.
Meanwhile, harvesting of rice has commenced at the state government farmland located at Ezulo in Ishelu local government area. With over 500 workers employed, the 1,000 hectares farmland is expected to produce 6,000 metric tons of rice to reduce the cost of the commodity, especially during the festive season.